We all want the best for our families, especially when it comes to what we consume daily. Milk is a staple in every Indian home, providing essential nutrients for growing children and adults alike. But have you ever stopped to wonder, is the milk we trust really safe? Shocking reports have unveiled a disturbing reality. Milk often contains harmful adulterants like detergent, starch, urea, and more. These hidden dangers can pose serious health risks to your loved ones. Your family deserves better. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that every glass of milk you serve is pure and safe. Introducing MilkTrak Test Strips, the simple, instant way to check your milk. Developed in partnership with IIT Madras, we guarantee you the highest accuracy and reliability in milk testing. With MilkTrak, you can easily test your milk at home. Just dip the strip in milk. Wait for a few seconds. And see the result, pure or adulterated, instantly. MilkTrak detects harmful chemicals that can compromise your family's health. No more second-guessing or worrying about the quality of your milk. With MilkTrak, you can ensure that every drop of milk is safe for your family. Protect your family's health and well-being. Get your MilkTrak test kit today and enjoy the confidence of serving pure milk, because your loved ones deserve nothing less.